Okay, this video is a bit of an update. I didn't want people to think I was just doing computer stuff for the last 2 weeks. I'm going to provide some more focused projects in this laundry room, but I am going to show the sort of demolition and some of the tile job and sort of where I'm at today. This before video is actually pretty old. I shot it pretty much when we first moved into this house. You can see I threw some protection down on the washer and dryer and then ripped those cabinets out. Super easy to remove those, just some screws and then the pry bar to pop everything off. You can see there's lots of screw holes and stuff like that, so lots of patching needs to be done, but that was pretty easy as well. This is sort of more up to date in the video. You can see I've removed washer dryer, ripped the legs off the utility sink and put it on a bit of a kickstand, and then I used Ditra as the underlay and used some of their waterproofing strip, which is the curdy stuff around the corners because it's in the laundry room. I'm using the same tile that I used in the bathroom, and everything's 1/8 inch spacers. So there's everything laid out. I'm not going to do a tile laying video because I really do not enjoy laying tile and I make such a mess of things and get so much garbage going on, but I did use I think they're QEP leveling clips. Overall, I really like the clips for use. They do add a lot of time to the process, but I found they're good, particularly if you're not a great tiler. So here's a bit of a better close-up of these QEP clips. After your tiles are set for the 24 hours or so, you just take your rubber mallet and you can pop these out. You could actually just kick them right off as well, but the rubber mallet is a little bit more tile friendly if you mess something up. And you can see the clips are smaller than those 1/8 inch spacers, so I had to use both. And then I grouted it just like I did for the bathroom. I've already done a grouting video, so I didn't want to do that either. So that's the redo on the floor and where I'm at with this laundry room. So overall, I'm reasonably happy with how the flooring came out. Obviously, I still need to do the trim. In this little closet area, I need to do some sort of boot and coat rack kind of deal. I painted the side walls and the back wall. Side walls are all Benjamin Moore color, which is Revere pewter, and then the back wall is something called Chantilly lace. It's just white, whatever they give everything names. The other thing I'm gonna have to do is a new laundry tub, so I got to get that rocking, and then I need some sort of shelving. So I got at least 3 or 4 more projects to do in the laundry room, and I'll probably focus on those a little bit more. Like I said, I just hate doing tile. It's just so messy. I'm not going to film it. And there is the washer and dryer back in. The one change I made to them is I bought some thick rubber feet from Lowe's. I'll get a close-up of those in a second, but they definitely cut down the noise now that it's on a harder tile surface. I didn't want to have a lot of the noise reverberating through the house, and definitely those rubber feet helped a lot. And they definitely taken a lot of the shake out of the washer and dryer as well. I also need to do something with these back stairs because it's a bit of a jump down there. One thing I might not change is the fact that I removed a door out of here. I find that the washer and dryer are quiet enough as it is that door is just kind of an extra annoyance, and I might just leave it out. There's a bit of a close-up of those rubber feet, and here are the ones that I picked up at Lowe's. They're like 30 bucks a pack. Anyway, thanks for checking out my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.